Good day to you all. You are welcome to today's lesson. Today we shall be looking at a revision on set theory using some certain questions. Question 1 says, given that universal set is a set of number greater than or equals to 1 but less than or equals to 20. A is a set of prime numbers less than 15. B, a set of factors of 20. C, a set of perfect square less than 20. Then you are asked to find A prime intersection B, A intersection B intersection C, A intersection open bracket B union C all prime, the number of A intersection B prime intersection C. Solution. To solve this wonderful question, the first thing you need to do is to list all the elements in the set. Starting from the universal set, a set that contains all the word element, all the that contains number greater than or equals to 1 but less than or equals to 20. So you are listing number from 1 to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, continue up to 20. Then A consists of prime number less than 15. Prime numbers include 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, and 13, since it is less than 15. Then B, factors of 20 include 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, and 20. These are the factors of 20. Then C, perfect square less than 20. Those numbers that we can, their square root are also what? Whole numbers. 1, 4, 9, 16. The next one should be 25, and the highest in our universal is 20. So the first thing to do we have is to list all the words, the elements, which you have done, all the elements in each set. Now to the first question. So the first question says we should find A prime intersection B. So how do you find A prime intersection B? Let's all get our A prime. A prime simply means the set of those elements that are not in A, but they are in the word universal. That will be A prime. Those elements that are not in A, Y is not in A, 4 is not in A, 6 is not in A, 8 is not in A, then 9 is not in A, 10 is not in A, 12 is not in A, then 14 is not in A, 15 is not in A, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. These are the set of numbers that are not in A, elements that are not in A. Then our B from the question includes 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, and 20. So and what we have between them? Intersection. Intersection means what is common in both sets, that is A prime and B. So A prime intersection B will be equals to what is common. 1 is common, 4 is common, 10 is common, and 20 is common. So These are the set of elements in A prime intersection B. Then we'll go to the second one. The second question says we should find A intersection B intersection C. That is, what is common in A, B, and C? And if you look at it very well, what is common in A? Nothing. We have two here, we have two here, there's no two here. We have one here, we have one here, there's no one in A. We have four here, there's also four here, but there's no four in it. So this is empty set because it contains the no element. That means there's nothing common between A, B, and what and C. So that is for number two. We move to number three. Number three says A intersection open bracket B union C all prime. So the first thing to do is let's do the first one in the bracket, which is B union C. B union C. B union C simply means we should join the element in B and C together. So let's join that without repetition. No. That means 1, 2, 4, 5, 9, 10, 16, and 20. 16 and 20. So these are the set of elements in what? B union C. Then our A is what? That is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, and 13. And what connect them together? So you have to find B union C prime. What will be B union C prime? B union C prime contains those elements that are not in what? B union C. What are those elements that are not in B union C? That is, we don't have 3 here, we don't have 6, we don't have 7, we don't have 8, we don't have 11, we don't have 12, we don't have 13, we don't have 14, we don't have 15, we don't have 17, we don't have 18, we don't have 19. So these are the set of elements in B union C prime. So now you have gotten our B union C. Then A include what? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, and 13. So what do you have in common in these two? In A intersection B open bracket B union C open. What do you have in common? Let's see. There is 3 here, there is 3 here. So 3 is common. What else is common? There is 7, there is 7 here. 7 is also common. There's 11, 11 here. 11 is common, and 13 is common. 2 is not common. 5 is not common, and that is all. So our A intersection B union C all prime include 3, 7, 11, and 13. Thank you. The last question there is number of A intersection B prime intersection C. So how do we get this? Firstly, we need to get our B prime. The B prime include those elements that are not in B, and that will give us 3 is not in B, 6 is not in B, 7 is not there, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, then we don't have 15, we don't have 16, we don't have 17, 18, and 19. These are the set of elements that are not in B. So we now join it together with our A, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, and 13. Then C also, we have 1, 4, 9, and 16. So we now check what is common in these three sets. What do you have in common? What do you have in common? Nothing. So that will give us A intersection B prime intersection C include what? Nothing. That is empty set. Empty set. And you are now asked to find the number of elements. And what will be the number of elements? The number of elements will be what? 0, because there is no element in that is common in these three sets. So our number of elements is 0. So, and that is the solution to the first question. Thank you.